So these are shots of the beautiful Santa Rosa Mountains just outside of Palm Springs, California. I am staying in Bermuda Dunes. I am still here. I came to watch a tennis tournament, one of the biggest tennis tournaments in the world, which, along with pretty much everything else in our lives, was canceled 12 days ago. And I am still parked behind a Catholic church, St. Clair of Assisi, where my friend Joni is the priest, and she is letting me stay. Now, instead of watching tennis, I am self-isolating in my trailer. Like so many people, we are watching everything unfold day by day and trying to stay safe. All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in Bermuda Dunes. I am in the same place I was during my last video, and I am parked behind a Catholic church. A friend of mine, Joni, is the priest of St. Clair of Assisi, and she has invited me to stay, park my truck and trailer here. Originally, I came to watch a tennis tournament, one of the biggest tennis tournaments in the world. I have always wanted to come to see this tennis tournament, and the day after I arrived, the tennis tournament was canceled. At the time, it was really the first big event, sporting event, or really anything else that I know of that was canceled because of the coronavirus. And since then, this is like, I don't know, 10, 12 days ago. My gosh, so much has happened in the last 10, 12 days. But we've seen all sporting events canceled, conferences, businesses, schools. Oh my gosh, it just seems like everything has been shut down. And even though I am here to see a tennis tournament, my friend Joni has extended the invitation, and she said that I can stay here as long as I need to. And I can't tell you how fortunate and grateful I am to have found such a safe place to land in this very precarious time. I feel very safe here. There's 3 of us here on the property. Joni, the priest, lives in a separate quarters of the church. And then there's another man who lives on the other side of the parking lot. So there's 3 of us, and we have lots of room between us, but we can also keep an eye on each other. Really, it's like the perfect setup. All 3 of us are very comfortable, and we can look after each other. I have water, I have electricity, I have Wi-Fi. I can go into the church and I can use the facilities there. There's shower, kitchen, there's a TV lounge if I want to go in and watch TV. And, there's no tennis, and so there's plenty to do in the area if I want. It's been pretty hard on Joni with her church because she's had to shut it down. And not only has she had to shut down her mass, but there were a lot of groups that were using the church, addiction groups, who really counted on being able to have their meetings here at the church. And so everything has been shut down. And what Joni has done is she has started to do mass online. And I'm going to leave a link for her YouTube channel that she just started so that she can put mass online. If this is something that gives you comfort to go to mass, you might want to take a look at Joni's YouTube channel. Otherwise, I have to say that I've been really struggling with even making this video and what I should do with my YouTube channel. It just feels like with so many people losing their jobs, so many people being sick, and so much uncertainty, I'm having a little bit of trouble putting out videos showing this carefree life on the tricycle. I mean, I have lots of material. I can keep myself very busy making YouTube videos. My blog has been completely neglected since I started this tour last October, so I've got plenty to do. But you know, maybe I can ask you guys what you think, if I should maybe put this channel on hold for the next 8 to 12 weeks out of respect, or is it something that could be kind of a change of pace for everybody, and maybe people do want to see triking stuff. Today what I've done is I've put together a video of clips from a ride that Joni and two other friends, Dave and Lynn, we all went out to Box Canyon, which is maybe a half hour from Palm Springs. It was a gorgeous day, a super interesting area, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you think. You know, I really do love hearing from everybody. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so we are in the little town of Mecca outside of Palm Springs, and I am on a trike ride with Dave and Lynn and Joni, and we are going to be doing Box Canyon today. So there's a lot of produce grown out here, and we're passing by a field of table grapes. These are grapes that are meant for eating, not for wine. And then on this side, we've got fields of peppers, red peppers. And we have Lynn. So we got a lot of lemons growing here, and they are blooming, and it smells so good as we're riding past. And then on this side, we've got a medjool date farm. Medjool dates are a big crop in this area. And this is a field of artichokes. Look how full the plants are. Oh my gosh, there's so many artichokes. Yeah, these roads are empty. It's very nice for riding. Yeah, so we are in downtown Mecca. And the Boys and Girls Club of the Coachella Valley. So we are back where we started. Just another fabulous ride with friends. Trikers. And we're pulling in the rear. The caboose has arrived. Well, great riding with you guys. Loved it. Fabulous, fabulous ride.
What do you think of that?
That was really great. Really, really great. Super duper fun. See, everybody's got their way of transporting the trikes. And Dave's got his homemade ramps.
Put it up here like that. Okay.
Getting it in the minivan. So he can easily get 2 trikes
Yep.
unfolded.
Unfolded, two
Ice trikes.
trikes.
2 ice trikes, both with electric assist. And now we're going to get 2 more trikes in the truck. And now we're headed back to church. Thanks for watching, everybody.